Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Anissa Tunazwa. So this is my speaking mid test video recording on 15 October 2025. Today I'm going to tell you about one of the most unforgettable experience I've ever had. It happened at night when my family and I were on our way home from Kasongan to Sampit. So one night I had just come home from Kasongan to Sampit with my parents, my grandmother, and my uncle. At first, we planned to go home in the afternoon, but there was still some unfinished business. We left after Maghrib. Everything was fine at first, and the trip was smoothly. However, when we reached the Kobes area, something unexpected happened. Something I never had before. The road was narrow and full of potholes, but it's normal, it's fine. So my uncle was driver. He kept swerved, avoid them, and find smooth path. Suddenly, a car behind us flashed its headlights several times. At first, I thought it was normal because that often happened during long trip, but this time it was different. When the car finally overtook us, it suddenly slowed down, and the driver took out a sharp weapon. It threatened us. I was half asleep before that, but as soon as I saw it, I became finally awake. My heart was racing and my knees was shaking. Everyone in the car was panicked except my father and my uncle. They tried to stay calm. And then the man stopped his car, and he went to the middle of the road while holding a knife and told us to stop, but my uncle didn't stop. He quickly drove past and tried to go away. Thankfully, we managed to escape. However, when we finally arrived at my uncle's house, we were shocked. That same man was already there waiting nearby, but he just stared at us for a few seconds, then drove away. We were all really surprised and confused. How could he get there so fast? Later, we found out from the neighborhood leader that man often come to that area. But alhamdulillah, after that night, he didn't come back and hurt us. So that experience was truly scary, but it also taught me to always be careful and alert when traveling at night. And it's something I'll never forget for the rest of my life. And thank you for your listening to me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.